Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Academy. I Saket Verma bringing a crash course on the subject communication system. This course is useful for various exams like GATE, ESE, ISRO, BARC and other public sector exams. And this particular course is useful for the branches, that is electronics and communication students, electrical engineering students and instrumentation engineering students. So all these three branches are included in this particular subjects, and this particular course will run on our GATE Academy global channel, and the course duration will be around 30 to 35 hours, and each day we will take 1 hour classes, okay, and it can extend up to 1 hour 30 minutes. Now what are the things which I am going to cover? So the number of chapters are there in the communication system. So I am going to tell you about each chapter and which branch is having that particular chapter. Okay. So first is amplitude modulation. So this amplitude modulation is for electronics, electrical and instrumentation. The second chapter I will discuss will be angle modulation. That is also useful for electronics, electrical and instrumentation. Now the third chapter, that is AM transmitter and receiver, in which we are going to study about the super heterodyne receiver. So that is also included in electronics, electrical and instrumentation. Okay. So the next chapter that we will study is random variable and random process, and that is only for the electronics and communication students. Okay. After that I will discuss the baseband transmission. In baseband transmission I will discuss about the sampling, quantization, encoding, pulse code modulation, delta modulation, and all these are included in all the three branches: electronics, electrical and instrumentation. The next chapter that I will discuss will be your band pass transmission. In band pass transmission I will discuss, this is for electrical, electronics and instrumentation, and I am going to discuss the topics. These are the different modulation techniques, and those digital modulation techniques we will be studying, in which we will be going to study about the constellation diagram and bandwidth. Okay. After that we will discuss noise in digital communication, but the noise in digital communication is not the part of electrical students and instrumentation students. The noise in digital communication is very important for electronics and communication students. And after that, the last chapter will be your information theory, and in the information theory I will tell you about the measure of information, entropy and the channel capacity, etc. There are various topics, and the basics of this information theory is for electrical students, only the basics of this particular chapter, and the electronics and communication students are having all the topics. Okay, so these all things we are going to discuss under this course, and the total duration will be, as I told you, around 35 to 40 hours, and each day we will study 1 or 2 hour maximum, or 1.5 hour you can say. For details of the schedule, join me on Telegram. The link is given in the description, and the important thing is this course is completely free for every student. So come live and be master in communication system. Thank you.